Hello, my name is David. Today, I want to share my daily routine with you. In the morning, I wake up early and feel fresh. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I drink a glass of water to stay healthy. After that, I take a bath and get ready for the day. Next, I wear clean clothes and comb my hair. Finally, I eat my breakfast and feel energetic. After breakfast, I start my work or study. I try to stay focused and use my time well. I also practice English every day to improve my speaking skills. I learn new words, read simple sentences, and speak in front of the mirror. In the afternoon, I eat lunch and relax for a while. After lunch, I take a short rest because it gives me energy. Then, I continue my work again and complete my tasks. I try to stay active and productive during this time. In the evening, I go for a walk. Walking makes me feel calm, active, and relaxed. Sometimes I talk to my friends or spend time with my family. That night, I eat dinner and take some rest. I watch videos or listen to music. Before sleeping, I revise English for a few minutes. Finally, I go to bed and sleep peacefully. This is my daily routine. Thank you for reading.